We're here with the owner, co-owner of Pele's Garden.
Yes, hi, I'm Barbara. I've been here for 17 years. We started off as a health food deli, and now we do pizza and beer, and we have a full liquor license.
Most popular pizza.
Well, it's probably the Supreme, which is fully loaded with veggies and meat, but we have a specialty pizza, which is a pesto base. It's got
pesto,
chicken, grilled chicken, pine nuts on top, and cheese melted. It is to die for. So come try the chicken pesto pine nut pizza.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sherry is a frequent flyer. She loves coming here. What do you like to order and why?
Okay, what I like to order, well first, after the cocktail round, I do like to order the garlic bread. The garlic bread with the mozzarella cheese on it.
A little bit left.
Because I do love cheese. And for my main dish, I do like to order the farfalle pasta with shrimp, which is with creamy Alfredo, along with some pesto.
License plates. How come there's so many license plates everywhere?
We started with our New Jersey plate, and when we put that on the wall, everybody thought that we collected plates. So we said, well, if one's a collection, sure, we collect them. And then they started coming in the mail. So when people would come visit us, they really wanted to be a part of Pele's. So they would go home and they would then send us a license plate in the mail. And we're all P.O. Box. So it's so nice to go to the post office and get a yellow slip, and it's a package. And it's like Christmas. And you're like, oh, cool. And on the back of it is everybody's address or a little note that they've written us, and they really just want to be a part of Pele's.
Do you put the notes on the back of the plate?
Yes, just as a reminder. More so for me, Mark has one of those photographic cameras. He knows where everything came from. He can tell you the person, what they were wearing, and what time they were in.
Oh, they go Tahoe. That's cool.
Unless you want it recorded.
So he's not here.
Sorry.
All the way down. In fact, when I was growing up, there was a Shark Tank. We only had one road in, one road out.